Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to see what are the tips you have to check while writing examinations. Okay, so last sessions we have seen how to prepare a timetable and how to utilize your study leave. So now you are going to write the exam. Okay, so what are the points you have to keep in mind while writing examination? First point I will say is read the instructions neatly and fill the front sheet without any corrections. Okay, so you have to read the instructions and fill it in the correct format itself. That is in the place where you have to write your register name, you have to write your course code, you have to write your subject name. Everything should be crystal clear without any overwriting or any corrections. Okay. Now, you got the question paper from your invigilator. So, after getting the question paper, read it carefully and check the marks for each. Because based on the marks, you have to write it. Okay. So, you have to check the marks also. Just a glance of the question paper. For that, you have to waste maximum 5 minutes, not more than that. Next point is you have to maintain proper time management while writing your examination. Don't waste a single second because that is very much important. Some questions will be having more marks, some part sections will be having more mark, so concentrate more in that. Some will be 1 mark question, some portion will be 1 mark question, so just give based on that, just give little bit time for that. Because no need to explain more for 1 or 2 marks questions. But when it comes to the 10 marks or 15 marks like that, so there more explanation should be there. And one more point you have to note is that don't write waste things. Just come to the point, mark bullets for the points or 1, 2, 3 like that, and then write it neatly. So that way you have to maintain proper time management. Next is don't forget to put question numbers in the margin. This is a main fault which we have noticed in many answer scripts. When the students are in a hurry to complete their examination, some of them will forget to write the question numbers. So naturally, you will not get marks for that questions. So within the margin itself, you have to write the question number. That is very much important. Okay. Write the answers neatly based on marks. So based on the marks, always write the answers. So you might be knowing that is this is an important question. So this is having more marks. So you have to write more. But more means don't waste the area. You just write the points and the points should be neatly written with some bullets or with some numbers like that. Underline the main points. Okay, so that's it. So write the answers neatly based on the marks. Don't cut it. Normally students what we used to do is after writing if we think it is wrong, so we'll cut it in many in the worst manner we cut it. Okay, so don't go for that. Cut it neatly. Just give a single strike, enough. So maximum try to avoid strikes in your answer sheets. Last point, last 5 minutes go through the full answer script. So that is very much important. Because last 5 minutes you have to tag the answer sheets and then just go through the full answer script to check whether you have written the question numbers and you have written all the answers. This is also very important. Okay, and then close the script and give it to the invigilator. That's all. So in today's session, we understood how to write an examination. Proper time management you have to maintain. Before starting the examination itself, we have to plan. That is, we have to spend this much time for total 3 hours means we have to spend this much time for this session, this for this session, like that. Okay, so if it is there, you can complete the full answers within the time span. Because students used to say, I didn't get time, and that is, I didn't write that particular answer, like that. So don't say like that if you are going with the proper time management. Okay, so these are the tips. Just keep in mind, write the exams and achieve the goal. Thank you.